So a couple days into our trip, after we went fishing with Javier, he told us about a canal that goes through the island. It's about a 4-mile trek through this windy, twisty canal. We headed out across the canals into the mangroves. There's 3 choices. You don't want to take the wrong one because there's no turning around once you get in there. There's mangroves everywhere, dirty, stinky mud. Some places it's about 2 feet wide by about 7 inches deep, and you're digging in mud. Here we are going through this canal, about 2 hours in. Your shoulders are throbbing from all the pushing and going.
"4 miles through heat and muck and sweat. Thank God for the water we brought along with us. Saved our lives."
No wind anywhere, sun's beating down on you, the water's in the 90s because it's so shallow, and all of a sudden you feel this breeze and you hear the ocean rumbling in the background, and next thing you know, bam, you're right there on this wide expanse of beach with nobody around.
The north side of the island was deserted. We had it all to ourselves. We caught a few fish, wandered around a little bit, soaked up the sun, and had a great day of it.
Big? Oh! Oh yeah. Oh, okay.
Put on stream, all right? Everyone deserves an adventure.
Okay, let's keep going.
And we noticed a small 30 by 40 foot key about a half a mile away from where we were fishing in the bay. We decided to paddle over that way, and I'm glad we did because that's when we really ran into some good fish.
You caught some pescado, huh?
We got a few pescados. We're heading over to a little key over here. Take a look at it and see if we can go climb up on top of it.
Next, when we come back, Michael fishes like a local with a recyclable fishing rod.
Okay, so I'm going to try the Honduran pop bottle again. My little piece of coral weight and a good chunk of fish, so hey, let's give it a try. Once bitten, twice shy.
And Mike popped out from behind the camera long enough to try his hand at the Utila fishing experience. A plastic water bottle with brittle line wrapped around it, a piece of coral for a sinker, and a rusty hook. That's all he needed to catch the biggest fish of the day, Utila style.
Wait. I love these Honduran fishing rods. Real cheap. There we go.
Biggest one we got today.
And doesn't require any oil or maintenance, but I think the line's a little brittle. Anyhow, it worked. I just threw it out there and let it sit for a while, and good fish.
And the bottles in your fishing rod's recyclable.
Oh, geez, man.
You wouldn't want to get your fingers too close to that, brother.
What do you think, man?
This is fantastic. I had a great day, man. Thanks for hanging out with me.
You want to go back to that island?
I wouldn't mind going to the island. I had a couple of fish break off on that island. I'm going to put a little heavier line. I've used my other rod. It's a little heavier duty. I don't want to lose those big boys like that, man. When I saw that one jump out of the water, that thing had to be 3 feet long, man. Big, long, skinny thing. I think it was a barracuda. I'm not sure, but barracuda do jump, and he jumped. He broke my line, so I'm going to put some heavier line.
Yeah.
I think that was, even though we had to dig through the muck and the mud a little in the morning, I think it's a more efficient way to get to the other side of the island. And the other side of the island is where I want to hang out and spend some time, man. I'm telling you.
There's
that
some
is
fish
way
over there.
Cool, man. Way cool. Get back and start cleaning fish, baby. Where'd you get? Hey, how you doing? Good. You guys fishing? Yeah. You got any?
Well, that's it for this episode of Eco Fishing Adventures. Until next time, I'm your host, Sinead Norenius. And remember, everyone deserves an adventure.